How to replace a toner cartridge on the HP LaserJet Pro P1106 Plus and P1108 Plus printer series. Replace toner cartridges when a toner low message displays. Lift the toner cartridge access door. Remove the toner cartridge from the printer using the handle. To prevent toner from getting on you, avoid touching the drum on the cartridge. Set the old cartridge aside for recycling. For more information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Remove the replacement cartridge from its packaging. Grasp both sides of the cartridge and gently rock the cartridge 5 or 6 times to distribute the toner evenly inside of it. Pull the orange tab to remove the protective film from the cartridge. Slide the cartridge into its slot in the printer until it clicks into place. Close the cartridge access door. You are now ready to continue printing. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.